Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to compare Pop! OS, Linux Mint, Ubuntu and Fedora. Pop! OS is a Linux distro made by System76, mainly for developers, gamers, and power users. It is fast, clean, and comes with many productivity tools built in. Pop! OS focuses on a smooth workflow with features like tiling window management and easy keyboard shortcuts. It is also great for gaming because it supports NVIDIA and AMD drivers out of the box. The interface is modern and minimal, which makes it easy to use for both beginners and advanced users. Linux Mint is known for being very beginner-friendly. It looks and feels similar to Windows, so it's easy for new Linux users to get started. Mint is stable, lightweight, and comes with many pre-installed applications. It focuses on simplicity and reliability, making it perfect for everyday tasks like browsing, office work, and media. It also works well on older computers because it doesn't need high system resources. Ubuntu is one of the most popular Linux distributions in the world. It is stable, widely supported, and has a huge community for help and tutorials. Ubuntu works well for both desktop and server use. It has a modern interface, supports most hardware out of the box, and gets frequent updates. Ubuntu is ideal if you want a balance between ease of use, stability, and compatibility with software. Fedora is a Linux distro that focuses on innovation and the latest open-source technologies. It is often used by developers and Linux enthusiasts who want cutting-edge features. Fedora is very secure and stable, but it may require more technical knowledge compared to Mint or Ubuntu. It is excellent if you want a modern system with the newest software, but it can be a bit challenging for beginners. Overall, if you want a fast and modern system for work or gaming, Pop! OS is a great choice. If you want beginner-friendly and lightweight Linux, Linux Mint is perfect. If you want a balanced, stable, and widely supported distro, Ubuntu works best. If you want the latest features and open-source innovation, Fedora is ideal. Pop! OS is strong for productivity, Mint for simplicity, Ubuntu for stability, and Fedora for advanced users. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.